Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear friends, now I will explain about intensive grazing method, also called as zero grazing method. This is intensive grazing method or zero grazing method. In this method, the sheep flock are kept under shade and medicines, feed and other management methods are adopted in shade. For some time, the sheep are grazed in the open area available for relaxation. Under this zero grazing method, sheep flock is totally kept under sheds. Fodder, feed, and clean drinking water is provided in the sheds itself. This innovative method is being practiced worldwide and farmers are earning good profits. Under this intensive grazing method, investment is little bit higher than the semi-intensive grazing method. But as sufficient fodder, feed and clean drinking water is provided, expected rate is very high. Therefore, profits are also very good. Under this intensive grazing method, scientific flock management such as fodder management, feed management, disease management is very easy. It means sufficient fodder, feed and sufficient drinking water is provided in shed itself. Since sufficient food and sufficient drinking water is provided and proper disease management, proper vaccination and deworming is undertaken at regular intervals, sheep mortality rate is very less. Labor charges are very less. Therefore, profits are very higher in this method. Dear friends, you have come to know about the three methods of grazing. Number one is traditional method. Number two is semi-intensive grazing method. And third one is intensive grazing method or zero grazing method. So if you are already following the traditional method, slowly try to leave that method and try to adopt the semi-intensive method or intensive grazing method and earn high profits. If small forest and grazing land is available nearby your farm, semi-intensive grazing method is best, or otherwise intensive grazing method is very best for you. You have to take a decision based on your circumstances and other points taking into consideration. All the best, my friend. Thank you very much.